So you want better video quality on YouTube? Well, you come to the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you my render settings in Sony Vegas and also some tricks that you can do within YouTube itself to get better quality. Now the Vegas part of this video will only apply to people using Sony Vegas. However, should everyone want it, I will create a Adobe Premiere version. Just leave your comments down below, and if I get enough, I will make a Premiere one. So, YouTube has two primary codecs that it uses, AVC and VP9. AVC is a lower quality codec designed to save bandwidth. However, it comes at a cost. The video quality is absolute crap for video. So what do? So one way of forcing it to use VP9 is rendering the video as a 1440p video. So I'm in Vegas Pro 16. I'm using the Magix AVC MP4 format, and I use these custom settings. So I picked, to make these settings, I went Internet 1080p, and then I customized the template. I changed the frame size to 2560 by 1440. The profile should be on high. The frame rate should be 60 or 30 if that's the kind of videos that you're releasing. I have a variable bit rate of maximum of 60 and an average of 45. Now these are custom written in, so you will have to write those in yourself. I use the NVIDIA encoder. I use high quality, VBR. And I haven't really touched any of the other stuff because audio is not too much of a big deal unless you're doing more music orientated stuff. And as for the other stuff, it's all good. So render using that. 10-minute video is going to be about 3 gig. So if that's too high, you can try lowering it a bit, but you will notice a decrease in quality. Now in the YouTube side, videos are processed in AVC at a lower quality. So if you don't upload a 1440p video, it will, for the most part, always use AVC1. If you upload a 1440p video, it may encode an AVC1 initially, but then it will change to VP9 later on. For a video that isn't already 1440p, there is one trick that you can do to get it to reprocess in VP9, and that is to use the YouTube video editor and don't make any edits. And once it's finished reprocessing, the video will then be available in VP9. Now it will take some time to process and it doesn't always work, but most of the time it does. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it did help you, leave a like. If it didn't, feel free to dislike. Leave comments down below and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.